Right. Imagine this. You bought Microsoft Office years ago, paid good money for it, a one time purchase, yours to keep. And then one day you open Word and it's gone read only. You can look, but you can't touch. So, what actually happened here? Let's get into it. So, here's the situation. People who bought Office 2019 for Mac, a perpetual license, are finding it stopped working. And there are two things happening. First, the app's auto update to a 365 version that rejects your old key. And second, the real kicker, there's a security certificate in the software that expires in October. When it does, the apps flip to read only. You can open your files but not edit or save them. Now, here's the part that annoyed people. Microsoft edited their own support page. The OP says the wording quietly changed to make it look like this was always the plan. He's calling it gaslighting. To be fair, that's his word, not a proven fact. But folk dug up the older version and the before and after do look different. You can see why people are raging. So, is this theft or an overreaction? There's a fair case both ways. On one side, you bought a perpetual license. Perpetual means forever. Switching it off years later smells like a bait and switch, and some lawyers reckon it could break consumer law. But on the other side, Office 2019 stopped mainstream support in 2023, and that support page is aimed at old versions of macOS, telling people to upgrade. So both sides have a point. So, what can you do? If you're affected, there's a workaround. Download the last proper Office 2019 build. That's version 16.78.3. Then turn off auto update. Your license works again, and it's a big but, that certificate still expires in October. So this only buys you time. Longer term, it's worth checking out the free alternatives. LibreOffice, OnlyOffice, or Apple's Pages and Numbers. So here's the question this leaves us with. If you can buy something and the company can switch it off whenever they like, did you ever own it? Worth a think. Tell me below, would you rebuy Office after this, or are you jumping ship? And to what?